Many people avoid upgrading to Windows 11 because of bloatware, privacy concerns, and unnecessary features. But what if you could remove all the unwanted stuff and customize Windows exactly the way you want, without using complex PowerShell commands or the Registry Editor? In this video, I'll show you a simple tool that lets you do exactly that. The tool I am talking about is Winhance. It is a powerful yet simple to use tool. Search for it and go to the official website, then download the installer. Run it, and here select the installation mode, which should be Install for all users. Then click Yes in the UAC pop-up. Here, accept the agreement, click Next. Then you can select the installation type. If you want, you can do a portable installation or a regular installation. I am doing the regular one. Then click Install. Once the installation is complete, Winhance will create the system restore point. Then you will see the Winhance interface. The first and default page is the software and apps. Here you will get the two tabs, Windows Apps and Features, and External Software. The green dot shows that the app is installed. This tick mark shows the app can be reinstalled, while the red cross means the app cannot be reinstalled. The gray dot reflects that the app is not installed. Based on these signals, you can install or remove the unnecessary apps and features. Since we are here for debloating Windows 11, we will be selecting apps that are just lying out there. I don't need Clipchamp, PhoneLink, Xbox, Copilot, and others, so select all those. You can also select Windows capabilities and optional features. After selecting, click on the Uninstall selected items. You will see the confirmation box with the list of selected apps for removal. Make sure that this option, Save Removal Script to ensure continuous removal, is selected. Because Windows 11 updates in the future might install these apps again, this removal script will run again to make sure these apps don't come back. Click Continue, and within a few seconds, your Windows 11 will be debloated. If you want to install any app or external software, you can do so. Winhance will install that app using the Windows Package Manager WinGet. Apart from removing apps and features, you can also optimize your Windows 11. The first option you have is Privacy and Security. In the Security section, you can change your UAC settings and disable things like Wi-Fi Sense, Remote Assistance, Windows Error Reporting, and others. In the Content Delivery and Advertising section, I selected the Deny option to stop all the advertisements. Then, you have a few options for the lock screen. It is better to disable Windows Spotlight and Fun Facts and Tips. Then disable the advertising ID, language list, app launch tracking, suggested content in settings, and settings notifications. If you don't use speech recognition and narrator services, disable them also. If you value your privacy, disable diagnostic data and other feedback options. Then, in the Search Permissions section, I don't want any of these, so I am disabling them all. Now you can disable apps from accessing your location, camera, microphone, account info, diagnostic data, and OneDrive automatic backups. Go back, and then you can optimize power configurations, gaming, updates, notifications, and system sounds. Then let's see the customization section. From here you get options to customize Explorer, Start Menu, Taskbar, and Windows Theme. The advanced tools allow you to create custom Windows installation media. You can also generate an auto-unattended XML file to install debloated Windows automatically without any user input. So, this is how you debloat your Windows 11 in minutes without any complex PowerShell commands and Registry Editor. If the video has helped you, press the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in next.